We be rising in the heart of nature every day with a whole bunch of cucumbers. You guys, we have an abundance of cucumbers, and it's a great thing because I love cucumbers. And today we're making a healthy, delicious cucumber salad that is quick and easy and under 5 minutes. All right, you guys, so what you're gonna need for this recipe, I have 2 large cucumbers from the garden. I have about a cup of these cherry tomatoes from the garden, as well as about a handful of fresh dill. I love dill, so you can add as much as you want. I got about half of a small onion here, and this is as easy as this, you guys. I got a container, it's about that big, and what I do is I just place all of the cucumbers and the tomatoes in here. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add, this is optional, but I have 100% maple syrup. We're gonna add a teaspoon of this in here. What I have here is apple cider vinegar with the mother. And we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And if you know me, I pretty much eyeball my measurements. I've done this so many times. And we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is what's gonna give it the flavor. And you can also add some salt and pepper. And then what I do, you guys, is I take the lid, put it on here, make sure it is sealed tight, and I give it a good shake. And I probably could use a bit bigger container, but I just shake it all around. Make sure the vinaigrette is all over the cucumbers. And get in that, shake in that dill. You might have to give it a really good shake. You could also mix it up in a bowl, but I just find this is pretty quick. And you could put it in the fridge just to let it marinate some more, or you could eat it fresh like that. Look at that. I can already smell it. It smells so good. And this is just a super, super quick and easy cucumber salad that tastes so fresh and delicious. And I think I'll put it in the fridge and we'll let it marinate for a little bit and then we'll eat it. And there you go. Quick and easy. And as always, beginning in some whole, healthy, fresh food, nature. When you do that, we'll all be rising.